Hello and welcome to Environmental Behavior Modification for Dogs. This is all about how your dog's environment can shape their behavior. My name is Quinn. I'm a certified dog trainer and the adoption support team manager for the National Newfoundland Rescue. The first thing I want to discuss is an acronym that I find helpful, and that is Be a Good Dog Mama. And yes, the dog dads out there can also be good dog mamas. Whenever you're dealing with persistent, unwanted behavior, there are four things in order that need to be addressed. One is medical, two, anxiety, three, management, and four, acquisition of skills. Up first, let's talk about medical. Don't skim past this. Has your dog ever had GI issues such as Giardia or been on harsh gut biome changing medications such as antibiotics or steroids? Do they have orthopedic issues such as TPLO surgery or elbow or hip dysplasia? Or do they have skin issues like allergies or ear infections? Or the many other medical issues that can be the core issue causing unwanted behavior? Now, I've been doing this a long time, and no one likes to think that it's their dog that has a medical issue. However, studies show that depending on the population, as low as 28% and as high as over 80% of dogs have behavior issues that are pain related. That means that if four dogs are in front of us, at least one and likely three will have underlying health issues fueling their problematic behavior. Talk to your veterinarian about behavior issues. Next up, let's talk about the mind. Now, I don't mean general anxiety, which your dog may or may not have. All of our dogs feel anxious about something. So let's consider some signs to look for to know if your misbehaved dog is actually nervous or afraid. Of course, there's fight and flight. Everyone knows these. A lunging, growling dog is likely afraid, as is a dog that is hiding or running away. But did you know that freeze is also a sign of anxiety? I often hear Newfoundlands described as a stubborn breed, and I disagree. Newfoundlands are a breed prone to orthopedic issues and a highly sensitive breed. If your dog shows sudden stubbornness to move or hit the deck behavior where they pancake or starfish, that is a sign of anxiety. Fawn behavior is also a sign of anxiety. Obsessive kissing, or laying down with their belly up and maybe their tail between their legs, or submissive peeing. And finally, the hardest one to come to terms with, fidget or fool behavior. Did you know that mouthing, jumping, grabbing items, and running off could all be signs of anxiety? If when guests come over, your dog jumps on you, or at the vet's office, your dog starts mouthing you, they might be anxious. Next up is management. That's what this presentation is all about, so I'm going to scoot past this one for now. Finally, we have acquisition of skills. This is where training starts. So if you're dealing with a behavioral issue and you jump straight to training, you've skipped past three things that are essential to consider first.